Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that's all about building mental resilience and finding peace in a chaotic world. We all want to live better lives, right? But with so much stress and uncertainty thrown our way, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Well, the Stoics have some powerful tools to help us navigate these challenges, so buckle up as we explore 8 Stoic principles that can transform your life. Rule number 1. Focus on what you can control. We can't control everything. Traffic jams, bad weather, other people's actions, those are all out of our hands. The Stoics teach us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, our actions, and our reactions to events. This shift in perspective empowers us to stop stressing about things we can't change and put our energy into what truly matters. Rule number 2. Don't sweat the small stuff. Literally, we all have those moments where minor inconveniences blow up into major meltdowns. A flat tire, a burnt dinner, they can feel like the end of the world. The Stoics remind us to ask ourselves, is this situation truly a disaster? By keeping things in perspective, we can avoid letting small annoyances ruin our day. Rule number 3. Embrace the challenge. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and failures. But the Stoics see these challenges as opportunities for growth. Every difficulty is a chance to learn, adapt, and become strong. So the next time you face a hurdle, view it as a chance to level up. Rule number 4. You are what you do, not what you have. Society often equates happiness with material possessions. The Stoics challenge this idea. True fulfillment comes from living a virtuous life, focusing on our actions and character rather than chasing the latest gadgets or Rule number 5. Live in the present moment. We spend so much time dwelling on the past or worrying about the future that we forget to truly appreciate the present moment. The Stoics emphasize the importance of mindfulness. Savor the good times, learn from the past, but don't let your thoughts get stuck in what-ifs. Rule number 6. Take responsibility. It's liberating. Shifting the blame game is easy, but the Stoics believe in taking responsibility for our actions and choices. This doesn't mean beating ourselves up. It's about acknowledging our role and using it as a chance to grow. Rule number 7. Practice gratitude. Seriously, it works. Taking a moment to appreciate the good things in life, big or small, can shift our entire perspective. The Stoics encourage us to cultivate an attitude of gratitude, which fosters happiness and contentment. Rule number 8. Memento mori, remember, you're gonna die. This famous Stoic principle might sound dark, but it's actually quite liberating. Remembering that our time is finite helps us prioritize what truly matters and live life to the fullest. It's not about dwelling on death, but about making the most of the time we remember. Stoicism isn't just about knowledge, it's about practice. Take what resonates with you and start implementing these principles into your daily routine. Head down to the comments below and share which Stoic rule you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on living a meaningful and fulfilling life. Thanks for joining me on this journey.